All right, guys, what is good? What is up? Welcome back. Happy Friday. It is the last day of the week. And yeah, today is NFP day. Gonna be a pretty interesting day. We're moving away right now with the current 4-hour for value gap. And at the same time, we have this 15 minutes bullish for value gap. So, honestly, I want to prefer now we would go down rather than the upside, even though we have this equal high above us on the NQ. I want to see us like trade to the upside or trade to the downside from here. So we have this currently NFP low as potential draw on liquidity. But at the same time, we have this 15-minute bullish for value gap. So we have to wait and see what the market open is going to offer to us. Kung ano gagawin ng market open, and from there, we can make an educated guess what's going to happen. But so far, pre-market, mas weaker itong si ES compared to NQ. We had this push up, and now we're currently trading to the downside. And maybe, just maybe we would continue lower. I don't know. We'll see about that. We'll see about that. Ang lapit ng aking camera. But I guess what happened if I do this? Yeah, but kita yung... Pwede ko ba itong ikat? Crop. Try nga natin. Kasi kita yung pinto, yung pangit. Ayoko nakikita yung pinto, pati yung monitor. Okay, portrait ko naman. Crop. Okay, I see. That makes sense. Kaya pala ganyan siya, naka-portrait. Kailangan ko na lang siyang ilayo, maybe. I don't know. Kung ganito kasi, pwede ba itong i-zoom? Kita yung pintong pangit. Yeah, this is not the best angle. Gantuin ko na lang. Para hindi kita yung pinto. Chat, what's good? What's good on YouTube? What's up on Red App chat? Good morning, guys. Ano bias mo sell din? Honestly, mas gusto kong sell, pero from what it looks like, structure-wise on 15, it wants to push higher. We have this equal high. We might trade into this. But short-term, gusto kong makakita ng downside movement. Typically, yung NFP is manipulation yung unang move and then gonna be a distribution mamaya. So, that's what I was hoping for. Honestly, mas prefer ko na ganun ang mangyari. Mag-push tayo sa downside. And yeah, I don't know if saan ang magandang level to sell from. Pero for now, mas weaker ang ES compared kay Nasdaq as of the moment. Mas weaker si Nasdaq compared to freaking ES. I see. Okay, let's fix this. Okay, tapos mangyari. So weird. You know. I did turn off my chat on TikTok just because I cannot. Ayan ko na to. Gold po, and no, it's not gold. Just cannot. Okay, I don't have a trade pre-market, but we'll see what's the market going to do. Gonna be interesting either way. Market is gonna open and we will take the low of NFP potentially, chat. So, ang gusto kong draw, itong kahapon pa. Oh my god, dude. Market just, oh shit, di pala nakita. Market just opened up and I just passed freaking 5 accounts. The one trade, 5 mini. Di ko lang kung narinig niyo yung order field na yun, but that was a quick pass or smash of an account at market open. Just past 6 evals right there. 5 evals. Just full port on that, short on that for value gap and order block. Past 5 accounts. Oh shit. Mali pala yung naka-copy trade na isa. 4 lang yung napas ako. That's fine, that's fine. Let's see if I can do this. Try natin to. It's full port short here, baby. Full port short. There we go. Could be another one. And let's see. Just 10 points more. Let's see, mabublow to due to trailing drawdown. Yep. Okay, it's not yet blown. Yep, blown siya. sayang. It was almost there. 19. Yeah, kailangan ko na lang ng about 3 points right there to pass that one, pero it's all good. I pass 4 accounts. Who am I to complain, chat? Who am I to complain? Right, time to trade some PA. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we're pushing from a 4-hour key level. So we have this 4-hour for value gap. Let's see. Meron tayong 15-minute BPR. Trading back into an end-dog. Potentially. We still don't have the NFP low, by the way. We still have the NFP low. We have not yet taken the NFP low. We have not yet taken the NFP low, chat. Bro, watching in the past 3 months, sobrang grateful sa mga teaching mo sa live. $100 mapapasa ko na yung phase 1 ko. God bless. You're welcome. Happy to help, you know. That's why we do it. But bro, but ganun. First payout ko, wala man lang ako naramdamang saya. How much were your first payout? How much was your first payout? Legacy account? Yes, legacy account. Legacy account. Gusto ko yung legacy account. It's what I've gotten used to. Right, this is big push upside right now. I think ES is gonna dump to NFP low. If sell ang bias today, it has gotta be the S&P to short. Actually, pati yung ano, mahina din eh. Pati yung YM. Weaker si YM. We already touched the... Oh, what just happened? Ano mas weaker kaya? Euro or... Parang gusto ko mag-trade ng Forex. I feel like this is a huge fake out on Forex. Huge fake out. Kaso hindi ko alam which one is likely to dump. Is it GBP or... Yeah, it could be the GBP. It could be the GBP. Yeah, so lagay akong alert sa monthly open. That is my key level. But GBP USD. Actually, you know what? Parang mas nagda-dump ang Euro over GBP. It could be the Euro short, not. Tingin ko magra-rally to back. Etong dollar, magra-rally to pabalik, in my opinion. Yeah, this low. Anyway, what do you guys think about the NQ? Do you guys think that this is gonna go higher? We're rejecting from a NDOG right now and a 4-hour FBG above. Do you guys think we push higher on NQ? So far, NQ is strong to the upside, so it's a bit tricky. And time. Oh shit! Di ko pala nakashare ng ano ko. Sorry guys, I'm so sorry. Hindi pala nakashare yung screen ko. Palagi ka din ba nakaka-blow ng account kaya palagi may bagong pinapasang eval? Yes, I do blow accounts a lot. Wow, what a rejection right there. That was a crazy dump on the NQ. Crazy dump right now on the NQ side. Selling off. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Still have the NFP low, like I said. Retracement Thursday, Monday. I passed my 25k Apex account right now today from NFP. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Congrats. Yo, what's up, Bernabe? Kane. We got a small for value gap on the NQ. NQ is a lot weaker right now compared to ES. We just pump on the ES and yet NQ is super weak. Although 9:30 open is supporting the price. Depending how we close here. Depende paano tayo mag-close dito, I might take a trade. Actually, mali pala yung pinlot ko na 8:30. Oh, yeah. Wait, what? So confused. Ito, saan ba ang 8:30 low? This is the 8:30 low. Oh my god. Oh my god, chat. I'm so dumb. Ito ang 8:30 low. Yep, this is the 8:30 low. I have it marked up incorrectly. Na-take na yung 8:30 low on the ES. Let's just see sa MNQ just to be sure. Yep. Not take out na yung 830 low on the ES, but not on the NQ. That was so dumb of me. That was so dumb for me not to notice that. Akala ko ito yung 830 low. Mali pala yung pagkakamark ko. NFP low. Daming low resistance liquidity sa baba ng ES. Okay. I might take this short on this for value gap. Oh, that was so fast. Yeah, I might take this. I'm short. Bang, 300 bucks. I have to trail that quickly because that is on the PNL high. PNL high ang mga account ko. 300 on that trade. That was very quick on this for value gap. I think we move lower, to be honest. My entry was on this FBG. Just trailing it quickly because I cannot afford to. In my opinion, this is still valid short from here. Hindi ko lang ma-hold yun, guys, because my account is trailing drawdown. I cannot afford to lose it. Nasa PNL high ako right now. Can't really afford to. I think we go down from here. Attack this low. Pwede kong i-take to sa end of day account. End of day account, in my opinion, I could take this. It's still valid though. Still valid. Sell stop ako dito. Pwede ako mag-sell stop. Oh my God. Tingnan nyo guys. Sell ako dito. Bang, baby. Just like that, baby. What did I say? What did I say, chat? What did I say? That was so fast. Hindi ako nakapag-TP dito, but I think it's gonna go down. I lose 200 bucks of drawdown because of that, because it's so fast. But yeah, that was crazy. I still think it's gonna go down. My TP right there wasn't the best kasi umabot siya ng ilang points away. It was like 20 points. I still think it's gonna dump from here. We just took this high, respected this for value gap, small for value gap, respecting this bearish 930. I think we go down here. We just need, you know, that momentum. Kaso nag-weak siya eh. Imagine if I did not take that profit, kung mag-go against sa akin yun, may get 1K matatalo ko. Natalo ko from peak high ng $400. If you can see, my drawdown is actually lacking $400 right now. My drawdown is lacking $400 because of that. Now I have to be a bit more careful kasi look at this 930 level being defended. 930, it doesn't want to break. We rejected like 5 times already. But, you know, the beauty of Trade-Evade, you can lock out. So, with Trade-Evade right now, chat, you can do this. End of day, end of day, end of day, end of day. End of day, end of day, end of day, end of day. Yan, lockout. May lockout feature na yung Trade-Evade. So, you don't overtrade. So there you go. End of day, yes, open position will be all right. Lock out. Okay. Yes, lock it out. Okay, lock out na ako. Oh! Why? Ayan na, na-lock out na ako. Bawal na ako mag-trade until next week. So I'm up $600 per account right now. Could be more if I was fast enough to take that profit. So yeah, I'm up 600 times 8, 618 times 8. It's 5K right now. I'm up 5K on my funded account. So I'm gonna close this now. I'm gonna close this trade of 8. I'm not going to be trading these accounts anymore. W's in the chat, baby. W. W in the chat. W's in the chat, baby. W. But di ka sumasali sa mga Forex Expo? I don't know. I don't hear about them until they happen. W, baby. Let's go, chat. Let's go. Gusto ko yung feature ni Trade of 8 na yun. Solid last day so far. Solid last day so far. I'm wrong about the bias, and you know, even though I'm wrong about that short, I was able to take profit quickly. I'm scared to take that long. I still think we go down, by the way. I still think we go down. I don't think we're going higher. I don't think we go higher, chat, to be honest. Got this rejection right now. If we invert this, I think we might just go, go, go. Let me try and short this on my... Alright, I am short. Wait lang. I am short right now on this trade. Let's see. Oops. What a beautiful entry, chat. What a beautiful entry. Oh my god, dude. Hopefully it goes smoothly lower. I would break even once we maybe sweep this low. I don't know. Let's see. I think we go to NFP low. Just 3 micros at the moment. Let's see this. Beautiful entry, chat. Beautiful entry. I'm in this short across like 10 funded, 15 funded account. Let's see. I want to see us trade sa NFP low and eventually into this low. Risking only 200 in this trade. Oops, that's not so good. We're having a chop moment right now. Let's see what's happened here. Ayoko na siyang mag-trade back into this. End dog. If it does, I'm likely gonna get stopped. If it does trade back, I'm likely gonna get stopped in here. Let's see. Trading 10 account right now. 10 funded. Some are evals. Let's see. It should start going lower now, honestly. Let's start adding into this. potentially. Wala, hindi tayo nag-create ng FVG. Yep. It's not, this is not supposed to happen. We're not supposed to stay longer inside this level. We're supposed to move away from this. Pag hindi tayo nag-move away from this, then I'm likely gonna get stopped. Then if I get stopped, I would wait for it to become clear. Because we've tried to move lower twice now. One here. This is the second one. And if I get stopped in this second time, I'm gonna stay chill for a while and rethink what the next step is. Hit the like stream. Hit the like stream. Hit the like chat. We'd appreciate that. If you hit the thumbs up. Delikado tayo, sir. Yeah, I might get stopped in here, which is it's fine. Already made the profit on my Apex sell. And this is just 200 bucks per account. I'm still in this trade. Na-invert to, it's not looking good, bro. It's not looking good. But if we start to roll over here, let's say mag-create tayo another fair value gap here. I think that fair value gap will not be revisited. Watch this, chat. If mag-create tayo ng fair value gap dito, let's say mag-dump to, hindi babalikan tong FBG na to. Watch it. This is me predicting the future, chat. Pag nagkaroon tayo ng fair value gap here, let's say mag-trade tayo to the downside, this is gonna become a breakaway gap. Magte-trade to, and then hindi niya babalikan to. If we create another fair value gap from this level, I'm gonna add to my shorts. If I get stopped out, then obviously I will lose. But yeah, if we start to roll over sa downside, we should not... am I gonna get stopped? Let's see. 2 points. 2 points away from getting stopped. I'm gonna get stopped here. Bakit po di babalik? I don't know. It's just a guess. Bakit hindi babalik? It's just a guess. No, experience. I know if that happens, I'm down 200 per account on this, on my other prop firm right now, as you can see here. But yeah, I still do believe na if we get this move down, hindi na babalikan yung ano. I might just have gotten stopped here. I don't know. Maybe I just got stopped. For me, this level is already balanced. So if we created a fair value gap here, there's no reason to fill that inefficiency because price here is balanced in my opinion because we offered both buy side and sell side multiple times. It means people are able to fill their orders here inside consolidation. Therefore, kung ano man yung mga fair value gap na mo-perform, they don't need to get filled. Here you go. If we get that fair value gap that I was saying, I'm gonna try attempt one more time. And if I get stopped, I think I'm done for the day. Simple as that. Funded next futures. Yeah, I do have funded next futures. Yes. I have a lot, actually. I have a lot. I'm risk on today. I'm gonna attempt this. What time na ba? 9:53. I feel like it's not gonna give me that. I feel like this inversion was enough to re-enter. Inversion off of this. I think I just got stopped. The market being a bitch. I do believe na hindi natin babalikan to. We're not supposed to trade back into the... Mukhang na-stop out lang ako dito sa 800 level. Yeah, I think I got edge right there. Na-stop hunt ako doon. We respected this end dog 50% again. And we started to sell up. So, I'm not gonna be surprised if we do get another sell up from here. Ito yung sinasabi ko. If we get this for value gap, like what I was saying, I don't think we're gonna fill this. We're not supposed to fill it. We're not supposed to fill this for value gap, in my opinion. You see this gap? This should become a breakaway gap. It should not trade back in here. If we trade back in here, chat, if we trade back in here, then I'm likely gonna get stopped all the way up. This for value gap should not be filled. It should stay lower. Let's see if I'm being a dumbass or am I actually correct about this. We should not trade back in here. Hindi tayo dapat bumalik dito, chat. Watch it. Watch it flash. Watch it flash to the downside now. There we go. Love to see it. Love to see it, chat. This is what experience gets you. I love to see it flash lower now. I don't want to see it go back. If it goes back into this for value gap here, chances are I'm gonna get stopped. Chances are I'm gonna get stopped, but to me, this really looks a breakaway gap right now. There you go. Flush it. Flush it to the downside. Flush it, baby. What's with that, chat? What's up with that? What's up with that, chat? I'm in the zone right now, chat. I'm in the freaking zone right now, chat. I want to see it flash dito sa NFP low, if potentially even much lower. I'm in the freaking zone right now. W, chat. W. Let's see. I'm gonna put my stop on this breakaway gap. Let's see. NFP low should be the target. NFP low should be the target, chat. This accounts makakapag-hold ako. Bang! 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 Chat! Bang! Bang! Holy cow. How good is that, chat? How good was that? Partial ako ng 2 contracts here. Below the NFP low. Oops, my trade rate is actually lagging. Don't you try and edge me on my take profit. I can actually TP here and walk away. We should start trading lower. Yeah, that's not good. We just took the low on ES. Potential SMT here. Where's our midnight open? Yeah, we could. Bang! TP hit 1. W in the chat, bro. W in the chat. How cool is that? I think we could definitely trade into midnight open right now. Just took my first profit. I still have floating right now. Here is the P&L so far. Holy W, chat. How good was that? Holy cow, bro. I'm in the freaking zone today. W for sure, chat. W. Hit the like, chat, if you like that. Hit that thumbs up button. I would appreciate if you do that. Okay. ES is a bit trading to the upside right now. I'm just letting this play out and do its thing. I'm gonna try and see if I can find something on the Forex side. Because it's 10 o'clock. We're seeing a massive push right now. Market is in consolidation. It's reasonable for us to trade higher from here, by the way. Me taking a partial in that place was simply... Wait, kailangan kong palitan tong order ko. Me taking a partial was reasonable because that was the liquidity. Do you always take partial? No. I took a partial because I need to cover my losses from earlier. I don't usually partial. Usually I just take the full out. I like to scale. I like to add into a position if I know I'm correct. But in this particular case, I'm not adding into a position just because the daily is not against the order flow. So the daily is still bullish. It's not really bearish. My short bias today is based on intuition that we might trade all the way down to NWG here, which is very far, by the way. At most, I would say we're gonna trade into previous day low today. If we're gonna dump, I think we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it here. Previous New York session. We also have liquidity from yesterday, as you can probably see here. Yan. At most, this is what I would target today. Yan. That is the most I'm gonna look for. And I'm not sure if we're gonna get that, but all I have to do is to just take the risk, you know, and just trail my stop. Do you consider the 929 wick? No, I don't. I don't consider the 929 level as a data low. I consider the 830 because that was the actual data release. But swing low is just a nice level, level of, you know, extra confluence to target. But I did take my partial on 830 low, as you can see here. Why I'm pushing higher? ES consolidation. There we go. We're still pushing. Let's fucking go. No, but now, chat. I'm gonna take one off here. Actually, you know what? Wait. It's selling off now. ES is selling off, so I'm gonna chill a bit and let this play out. Forex is selling up. Dollar is pushing to the upside, which is a nice confluence today. I'm in the zone today, chat. TikTok comments are off. It is the strat. TikTok comments off, and I'll be able to focus on my own trading. Executing flawlessly, thinking logically, you know. Gonna take one off if we take the low on the ES. We're about to take the low on the ES because we can get an SMT here. Itong low na to. There's a low on ES that is about to be taken out. So you can probably see here. If we do take this low, I'm gonna take partial again on NQ. Just one more, and then I'm gonna let the rest run. Saan target ko? Previous day low. I think we go way lower today. But I'm taking partials along the way because I know I could be wrong, you know? It's not like end all be all. I can get this wrong, definitely. Not so good. Not so good retracement. Kayo dyan sa TikTok, if you want to watch me and have a comment, go on Red App. Watch me on Red App, search 𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤, you'll be able to comment on that, but not in here. If you want to comment on what I'm doing, if you want to ask something, go ahead on Red App. Search my name. Just letting this ride, chat. Letting it ride right now. Mm. Come on, come on, come on. Di pa nagtitake ng low. This is getting very choppy right now. Not the best, I would say. Naka-integrate ba yung TikTok mo? Ay, TikTok. Trade. My God, dude. I'm reading the wrong things. Naka-integrate ba yung execution mo sa trading wheel? Yes, I use Trade Copier. I use Replicanto. Ayan, ang makikita mo dito. Ito yung PNL ko. Ayan, 497. Ayan. 497, 496. Medyo may discrepancy kasi third party. Medyo mabagal. Pero yeah, it's integrated. Some firm don't charge commission. So, hindi sila agad nag-charge ng commission after the trade is executed. Yeah, here it is. Yung iba charge agad ng commission. Ayan, oh. Come on, come on, come on. I'm gonna take partial one here just because they're teasing this level way too much for my liking. What time is it? 10:10. Well, it's still early, I guess. Yep, we did take the low on the partial ako ng another one here. There you go. Just one running right now. I'm just gonna... Yep, there you go. Take another partial right there. We took the low on ES like I planned. Currently, I'm just up 400 plus the unrealized is gonna be 400 per account. Covered the losses from earlier. Then also the running profit right now. Let's see. I think we trade all the way down here. In my opinion, we will trade all the way down. And let's see if that actually happens. I think we trade all the way down to 29,200 today. I wish I did take it though on my funded account to CFD. I wasn't able to take this on my CFD side. It just happened so fast. I was not able to react on it. It happened so fast, chat. Wala akong execution sa CFD ko. Only on futures. This would be a banger trade if I was able to catch it. Still going. W, chat. W. Same yun ba yung Trade Sinker? No, Trade Sinker is monthly at a one-time fee. So I wouldn't go for Trade Sinker. W, yeah, chat. It's definitely a W. I have positions running. Just letting this run right now, chat. There's NQ in CFD. It's called NAS 100, US 100. NAS 100, US 100. Wasn't able to take it, unfortunately. I'm thinking of shorting EU, but I don't know. I think dollar is gonna rally from here. But I'm not too sure. Wait lang, chat. I'm trying to manage my position right now. Still gonna go down, I think. I'm just at this point when my position is like this, I just let it go and let the outcome play out itself. Potential take profit is gonna be midnight open as well because it's Friday. Eto, midnight open could be the final TP if you don't want to target the lows, but I do believe we're gonna go down to 2928. That was my target from yesterday. You remember, if you guys remember yesterday, I took a short here. My target was here. And what we did was just form a double bottom. Low here, low here. And I think we trade all the way down here. It might happen during the lunch hour. It might happen during what do you call this? During PM session. I don't know. But this is another opportunity to get out, in my opinion. Ilan yung account na tinitrade ko? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Meron ako 30 accounts sa ibang prop firm. Dito. Oh my God, this is crazy, bro. 30 account chat. And then someone would tell me na I was being emotional pag nagtitrade ako. Di pa ako real na trader because I was emotional. You be shitting your pants pag meron kang ganitong kalaking risk sa market. We're getting a retracement. Just stay holding this, not really trying to overmanage. If I get break even, sa execution lang yan. Yep. Nakaka-copy trade ako using Replicanto. So this is what it actually looked like. Ganito itsura niya. Ayan. Copy trade mo lang siya. Ganyan yung itsura niya sa app. $300 to. Lifetime fee na. Tapos pwede mong connect sa NinjaTrader tsaka TradingView. ICD playlist reveal? I already did a video about it. Come on, come on, come on. We're gonna break even ako dito. I'm gonna call it a day. Anong prop firm mo, boss? I have a lot. Pindola. Sobrang dami. You can just be more specific if you wanna ask something. Let's see. We don't have a 5-minute key level, which is unfortunate. I think if we trade all the way up here, this is way deep. Para sa akin lang Para sa akin itong retracement na to dito, if magre-retrace tayo dito, I feel like this is way too deep to try and short this. To me, itong context ng bearish for value gap na to try and enter short here, it's not the best because we've taken out a swing low and then we pump higher. So para sa akin, itong level na to short, it's not the best right now. So if you're planning to short, because you're seeing me, I'm in short right now, in my opinion, this is not high probability short level at the moment. You can scalp your way out of this, but let's say you try and short here, get the 10 points, you can. But if you try and short here, hold until next leg, I'm not sure that is the best idea right now. For me to become bearish in this level, we need to invert this back. I think we need to trade below here para maging bullish, ay maging bearish ulit. I'm only holding this short because this was executed from earlier. In my opinion, this 5-minute right here is not the best execution to short from. Dollar is also pushing lower, which is why we're seeing this. Finally gonna get break even here. My final realized profit would be, I don't know. Let's see. I'm not going to front run it yet. Hello, boss. What's up, Jeremy Gaming? What's up? What prop firms are beginner friendly trading futures? I would say Apex is finally part of that category if you trade end of day account. Tradify and TopSwap. Di ba lag pag nag-execute ka sa TradingView? It is laggy. Kung nag-execute ka ng base it's not the best. You should trade Trade-of-8. Kung gusto mo ng scalping, fast execution, do it on Trade-of-8. But if you want something na you're holding for much bigger SL, then you can use TradingView. Pero in general, I don't recommend trading on TradingView. The only reason I'm doing it is because nagtitrade ako ng iba-ibang prop. And to do that, you need to do it on TradingView. You cannot do this on Trade-of-8. Kung iba-ibang prop firm ang tinitrade mo, you cannot actually do this. Yung CFD account mo, prop firm din ba? Yes. Thoughts mo sa GFT Equity Edge? Yeah, no. Hindi ako I don't trade them just because they're not for me. So I trade big account size, and GFT, I don't think I can rely on them. I've heard a lot of bad about them in terms of CFD side. Equity Edge, they only offer 100K. I think if gusto nyo ng Equity Edge, many people promote this on TikTok. I think you should just go for lowest account size, 5K, 10K. Anything above that, I think it's gonna be more not worth it, if that makes sense. Hindi worth it. When you start trading big account size like 100K and 200K, it's not worth taking a risk with a prop firm that is not part of the top 10. Why would you choose Equity Edge if you're trading 100K? Kasi mas cheaper sila ng $50, $60 compared to competitors. That $50, $60 difference can mean a lot. Support, response, can mean difficult rules that may get you in trouble, or kaya naman hindi ka potentially pwedeng bayaran. I know Ollie is getting paid. I'm not sure if anyone got paid like more than that. If you're trying to aim like 5K USD, 8K USD, you will start having trouble. I'll tell you that. Pero siguro you're aiming just $500, 1K, 1%. Maybe you won't have issues, but in my end, if I'm trading 200K, I want like 10K payout, 8K payout, I would probably get problem with them. So it depends. It depends, guys. Most prop firm that are small, if you're trading on small account size, they will pay you surely because they would be able to use you for marketing. Nagko-collect ka ba ng madaming eval to pass bago mo i-trade lahat pag funded na? No, I copy trade my evals and funded at the same time. I just trade them the same. Pag end of day yan, I just trade them the same with the same respect. All right, I'm about to get stop out here. Let's see. It's going to push higher now. About to get edge. Oops, it still wasn't stop out, chat. Still alive. That type of trade, let me tell you about something about scalping, right? Let's say this bullish candle, you want to be selling above that. Ito yung level na dapat ka mag-sell. Why? Because people chase this. Kita mo, like, nagkaroon ng bullish candle and people love to chase this breakout, you can sell this. Why? Kasi nasa loob ka ng 5-minute key level. This is what I'm saying when you can do this base hit. If you try and sell here, that level was 5-minute FVG high. You're likely gonna get a reaction from that. This is something I would take on my Apex account and have a stop that is very tight. That alone, let's say this move alone from here to here, this is like 44 points or almost 50. If you're trading 1 minute, that is almost 1K. Bakit di mo tinrail yung profit mo? Because I already took partial 75% of it. There's no pain in me if I don't get this last one to my TP. Even if this is a break even, I don't mind. Because yeah, I already took majority of it. And I want to hold until midnight open. Thoughts on order flow? Never tried of them, but if I'm not ICT trader, it is one thing I would probably look into. If I don't have the knowledge that I have right now, it is one of the options I would do, just because learning ICT takes a lot of time and experience. Anyway, I'm stopped out from that last one. So some of my accounts were in a massive profit because I took profit on them. Some were not, as you can see here. 400 bucks, 400, 400. From being down to 100 bucks, may account ako na 1K. Those are evals. I took profit early, but majority are 400. So those were the funded account where I held. Nag-take profit ako sa mga evals just because meron silang 40% consistency. Yan, yung mga may 1K na yan. Eval lang yung mga yan. May consistency rule dyan, so no point in me having more than 1K profit. I'm gonna call it a day here, chat. I'm not gonna be trading throughout the day. Calling it a day early. I'm out, chat. If you wanna talk to me inside the Discord, let me know. But yeah, what about we type W in the chat and I'll post this on my Instagram. W, if you learned something, chat. W. Wait lang. Lagin ko lang yung trade wait para may pang LARP tayo, chat. What a great way to end the week. Spam W right now, chat. Spam W. Let's fucking go. We made it, chat. We made it. Let's go. Wait, ulit. Nawala yung chat. Banger trade right here. Currently up nicely on my funded account across all my accounts. The chat is winning right here. W's in the chat, baby. Let's go. Aga matatapos? You don't want me to quit it? Why? Why don't you want me to quit it, chat? I'm gonna send the Discord link here. Right now. Okay na yung W, chat. Stop spamming. Appreciate you guys though. Lupit mo sa TikTok, boss. Do you trade news? Before news, no. I don't. Depende ako naka-swing position ako. But I don't try and trade news. Sometimes eval, if I become degen, I would trade the news. I'm not planning to trade, chat. I'm happy with what I got right now. I'm not gonna ruin my day by giving back this profit, so I don't know. What else do I have to do now? Anong gagawin ko ngayon, chat? Got any advice on KYC? Don't do fraudulent activities. It's simple as that. Don't try and do fraudulent activities. Mag-send ka lang ng ID mo. It's simple as that. Take a selfie, send an ID. That's it. You won't have an issue with KYC. Hit the like, chat. Hit the like. How many likes do we have here? How many likes do we have here, chat? We got 21. If we get 50 likes before... If we get 50 likes... 50 likes or 60 likes before 10:35, I'm gonna do a cash giveaway. I'm gonna do 500 peso pang Starbucks lang, chat. Pang Starbucks. If you hit that like right now, chat, if we get 60 likes on Red app, I'm gonna do 500 peso giveaway. 500 peso giveaway, chat. Come on. Before 10:35. I'm gonna do 500 pesos giveaway. 60 likes. Spam it, chat. Spam it. Do it, chat. Do it. Do it, chat. Before 10:35, we're gonna do 500 peso cash giveaway. Ayaw ng 5H. Yeah, we got 44 right now. Spam it, chat. Spam it. Spam it right now, chat. Spam it. Isa lang, isang winner lang, okay? Don't go crazy. Don't go crazy, chat. Just $10. Make it holler. Oh. Did we get it? Did we have 500 pesos, chat? 500 pesos. I'm gonna send you through your Gcash. So how are we going to do this giveaway? I guess you have to join my Discord, and then I'm gonna let ChatGPT decide. Yeah, I think because if I'm gonna do it here on Red app, it's gonna be messy. It's gonna be super messy, chat. Kayo dyan sa TikTok, I'm here in Red app. Search 𝘿𝙞𝙨𝙘𝙡 and you'll see me. You'll see me here. So I wonder what's gonna happen here from this level. I think we go down. I think we go down, chat. Maybe, chat. Maybe. I don't know. I'm just guessing at this point. I don't have Discord. So how are you going to do it? Comment picker. Okay, let's just do YouTube comment picker. I guess it's time for me to pay for a comment picker on YouTube. Comment picker YouTube. Random comment picker on YouTube. I don't know how this works, but it kind of sucks now I have to pay for it. Wala na bang kasunod bootcamp playlist mo, sir? Meron pa. Comment picker doesn't work, chat. Comment picker doesn't work. It's just sad. I don't think it's gonna work, honestly. Oh man, how do I do this? Oh shit, sorry. Gulat ako, gagi. ₱500, let's go. Trade review. Maybe, I don't know, maybe. Choose here, bro. Then just type the names. You guys are like 70 people. There's no way I'll be able to type Charmander na lang. Sige na nga. Pucha. Duck race. Okay, type Charmander one time. Charmander, all caps, one time. Charmander, one time only. One time. Pag nag-type kayo ng twice, I'm not gonna include you. Charmander, one time. My favorite Pokemon, chat. Okay, chill lang kayo dyan. Chill, chill, chill. Just one time, okay? One time. I'm gonna start it now. Okay, so whose names? Okay, isa-isa ko kayong ano who we have, after kung sinabi yung Charmander, we have Agent TGL128, we have Ariza Balyon, we have Mark Espino, Eman PH, Spicy, Pansit Canton. Shit, wait. That was so fast. Fuck it. Spicy Pansit Canton. Psych 24. Howard, ZCZ, Sogola, Nagood, Crystal, Saint-Shi, Gallery Dump, Jerome, Marulio 5536. Si Agent, 2 beses na to. Parang di kayo sinabihan Japan Life Chronicles. Guys, pag meron ako na type na 2 beses, let me know. Si Howard, ang kukulit ng mga kurikong nyo chat. Sabi ko 1 beses lang. Aron Nevisen Manalo. Si Mark Espino na ano na to. Sabi ko na Mark Espino. Yep, sabi ko na nga ba, duda ako dito Sogola, Nagood. Parang isa pa to. Sabi ko na isa pa to Roy Cruz, 178. Allen Beneventura, Hand Fever Day. Derek 540, Franklin Bistal, Hisoka, Yowilo, kulit ni Howard, Bernabe Banaag, Mr. Laugh Reactor, Nature Feels, Roro, Niglets, J-Can, Jabibe, who else? Bremo FX, Psych na ano na to Sabi ko na Kulit ni Howard. Learn Commerce by Jan, Honlight, TP Pakats, 312 Chino, Death Whiskers, Boyshi. Makulit din to Psych. Tsaka yung Howard, I feel like kailangan ko silang i-kick. What do you think? Tanggalin ko ba yung name nila, chat? If you want me to kick their name because they're spamming it after saying 1 beses lang. Makulit tong Shit. Yeah, okay. All right, chat. I'm gonna say the next word. I swear. I'm gonna say the next word, and if you try and type twice, I'm not gonna forgive it. I'm not gonna include your name. Okay? Wag na natin gamitin yung Charmander. We're not going to use the Charmander. I'm giving you one last time. Okay, one last time, chat. I will say the word now. Kapag kayo inulit nyo Yung word, I'm not gonna include your name in the giveaway list. Okay? I'm not gonna include you, I swear. It's just, I'm skipping other people's name dahil paulit-ulit yung sinusulat. Alright. Sa Discord na lang mag-react kami. I'm giving a chance for those people that don't have a Discord. I'm just gonna do this once. Again, okay. Next word. Isang beses lang magko-comment. If you comment twice, hindi ko na i-include lahat ng pangalan nyo. Ay, hindi ko na i-include yung pangalan niya, okay? So, comment this one. One time. Yan. Blastoise. Blastoise is the... Tama ba yung spelling? Blastoise. Blastoise is the word. Okay. 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 Pag natapos kayo, stop na. I'm trying to catch up. Nakay ano pa lang ako. Nakay...
Mabait naman pala sila eh.
Yowie Low, Roy Cruz, Gallery Dump, Howard, X-Sky, Hisoka, Bernabe, Crystal, Roro Miglets, John Creatives, Jerwin, James Arcelia, Japan Chronicles. Okay, na kay Japan Chronicles na ako. Si Poker, what's that? Poker Z, Derek J. Can, Spicy Canton, Mark Espino, DB Trades, One Real, Amboyshi, Cormink, Aaron, Vince, Pin Diola, Death Whiskers, Hand Fever Day, Kamiyasho, Michael Takaban, That Explains, where is that? That Explains, Kadita, Franco, Sogola, Nagood, Moba Grounds, Jerome Marullo, Tampili, Mark, Roberto Fulio, Allen Buenaventura, Neon Nietzsche, Bremo FX, Franklin Bistal, Jabibe, Redondone, Jan Long, Mabruiz. Uy, kala ko dumoble si Allen, nag-delete. Save pa. Eric ba 8644, Howyo, Nature Fields, Johns, Vinta Bulao, Jason, Rafael, Yebs, Margaret Terror, Tipa, XX Saber, Rin Simichi, Honlight, Giro. Oy, merong umulit. Wait. Pucha, wait lang. Nakay Giro tayo. Si Spicy Canton, I think he did it twice. Spicy. Oops, sorry, Spicy. I'm gonna remove your name. I told you guys. I'm so sorry. One time only. Okay, si Giro. Nakay Giro na tayo. Hunlight, Giro, Hilario. Sorry, my friend. I told you guys, just one time. Giro, Hilario, Virgil, Canada, Baron 570, Pastidio, Mr. Laugh, Reactor, Camille, Francisco, si Radiant. Sige, pagbibigyan kita kasi hindi naka all caps yung una mong chat. I'm gonna give you a chance. Camille Francisco, tapos si Radiant. SS what? 48. Walter White. Ba't parang dumami bigla yung nanonood?
90.
Emerson Clement. Parang ginamit nyo na yung mga pangalan ng mga nanay nyo, ah. Emerson Clement. Emerson Clement. Maquielo. Mindy. X-Main. Kenneth. Chavez. Chris Ron. 100 lang ang pwede dito, by the way. Wardur Sepal. Parang, wait lang. Wardu. Hindi. Kala ko dumoble si Wardu. Nothing special. Paldo Trading. Paldo Trading. Sino pa yung isa? Okay lang, sige. Ang bilis. Nakagawa to ng bagong YouTube, oh. What? Anong rebeb? What do you mean? Hindi yan Blastoise. Okay lang, sige. And then we got Kiyopon, One Drill. Oops, Paldo Trading. I told you. Isang beses lang. I'm so sorry. I have to remove your name. Dalawang beses mo ba sinulat? Wait. Paldo Trading. Hindi. Oh, naduling lang ako. Yung una mong chat is small. Tapos nag-capital ka. Okay, I'm gonna give you one-time courtesy. Kasi baka akala mo di counted pag small caps. Arvin J. Savin Masangya. Damn, ba't umabot tayo ng 20 minutes kakasulat? We're about to hit 100. Farming for eternity. Kian PH. But ganun? Ba't dumami? I cannot, bro. 𝙿𝙞𝙨𝙘𝙀. Ito, nakikita ko lagi ito eh. Emerson. Emerson, wala ka pa ba? Okay, sorry Emerson. Nandito ka na. I told you only do it one time. You did it twice. Emerson, you did it twice. All caps. You did it twice, Emerson. I'm so sorry. All right, that's enough. That's enough, chat. That's enough. This is crazy. Oh my God, dude. That's enough. That's enough. I cannot. It's too much. Malapit na tayo mag 100. 60 lang to kanina. I'm pretty sure dumami yung mga dummy accounts. So, yeah, I can't just keep going on kasi hindi tayo matatapos dito. Yeah, no one is even liking the stream, chat. We got only, I told you, 60 likes. You only have like 70. All right. Let's do this, okay? Let's do this. Let's do this. All right. Hello. 1 minute. Okay, I'm gonna ask you. Okay, what do you want? Ito na lang. Poll tayo. What do you want? 5 times 100 pesos? Or 2 times 250? 1 time 500. Gawa tayo ng poll right now. Do you want a more chances of winning? Or gusto nyo bang chat? Start a poll? 2 times 1 times 500, 2 times 250, 5 times 500. Which one? All right. Start the poll. Ayan na, chat. Let me know. It will be directed on your GCash. Ayan, magsagot kayo sa poll. May poll dyan sa baba. I'm gonna give you guys 2 minutes to do it. 2 minutes to actually do this. Two minutes, chat. 2 minutes. I'm gonna give you guys 2 minutes to do this. Nananalo ang 5 times, chat. Nananalo ang 5 times. This is crazy, bro.
Bro, it's 5 times 100.
Ay, 5 times 500? Oo nga, mali. Gogi, no way, dude. I don't have 2.5, chat. I don't have 2.5. You guys are crazy. I'm gonna do it once more. Okay. How about this? Sige, mag-1K na tayo. 2 times 500 or 5 times 200 or ano pa bang option? 2 times 500, 5 times 200. Which one? Mali yun na type ko. Wag na lang kaya. Ayan, pili kayo, chat. Which one do you like? Kuripot. Chat, which one do you like? Which one do you like, chat? 2 times 500 or 5 times 200? Pang SB.
Five times 100 na yun.
5 times 500.
Yun ang mas kapa.
Pa-add ako, Sir Ron. Si Exhort. Add natin si Exhort. Loyal viewer yan. Exhort is one of my OG. I'll give Exhort the chance. Okay, 2 times 500. Let's go. Wag na lang kaya. Merong mga ayaw. Baka pampabigas. Alright. Let's do this, chat. Let's do this. 2 times 500. Here we go.
1 times Rolex.
1 times Rolex. Lakas na tawa mo, ah. Wait lang. Pa-sounds tayo. Para masaya. Why is it not working? Alright. Let's do this, chat. Set. You get this. Shuffle ko, shuffle. Shuffle characters. Medyo madami-dami to. Let's go! Mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark. Sino kaya ang mananalo here? Who's gonna win in here, chat? Okay. Kulit. Alright, Arvin. Congratulations, Arvin. I'm sorry, your agent. You're not funny anymore. Paano ka ba i-kick, my friend? Nandito ba si Arvin? I need you to be here. Pag wala ka dito, I'm sorry. Put user in timeout forever. Bye, Regent. Arvin! Nandito ba si Arvin? Arvin? Are you not here, my friend? Pag wala si Arvin, we're gonna do it again. I'm gonna give you like 2 minutes. 2 minutes, Arvin. 2 minutes. Arvin, okay, Arvin, join my Discord. I'm gonna send you the link. Send me a DM. Mag-send ka ng general chat. Okay, I'm gonna give you your 5H, baby. 5H. Ito yung Discord. What's up, Jay? Jay, parang hindi ka pa kasali, Jay. I know you, though. Okay, race again. I'm gonna put Jay. Jay is an OG viewer. Si ano yata to? Si Boyot. If di ako nagkakamali. J analysis. I don't think he's here. Paano mag-avail ng one-on-one? Send me a DM. I'll give you the details. Sige, dahil nandito ka na lang din. J analysis. Yan. Shuffle. Hindi si ano to, hindi si Boyot to. It's not going to ask for mentorship. All right, let's do this. Shuffle characters.
Nandiyan ba ako?
Ikaw? Nandito ka? Parang wala. Hindi, nandito ka. All right. Angkol. Sige, salin natin yung mga last. Angkol Bisaya. Bisaya ka ba? 5-minute man. Si ano na lang, si Jakes. Last na to, si James Byrne. Kasama na si James as far as I know. Yeah, James Byrne kasama ka na. You're actually included. Ay, hindi. Kasama ka na. James Bernando. Kasali ka, yes. Wala na. Okay, wala na. Puno na. You can see it. Guys, it's full. I'm gonna do this right now. Last one. Si Master Snipe. Sige, Master Snipe. OG to. Si JM8252. We got last two, chat. Last two. Mukhang wala na. Baby Shark. Sinasabayan ko electric guitar ko. Sige, ito na. Wala na. Last two na to. Alright, let's go. Alright, guys. Alright. Let's do this. Parang may gusto kong kanta. Yung kay, ano, yung kay Malupiton. Ano kasi yan? Yung gumaganon siya. Anong kanta yun, love? Yung sinasayaw ni Malupiton? Yung gumaganon siya, oh. Anong kanta yun, chat? Tigidong. Ano? Digidong. Who's gonna win right here? We got Aaron Vince. Na-clutch ni Aaron Vince. Are you here, my friend? If you're not here, I'm so sorry. Tigidong. Brazilian dance nga. Eto. Si ano, nandito ba? Si Aaron Vince? Alright, Aaron Vince, send me a DM on Discord, you guys. It's nice to end this week with a good note. It was a W trading day for me, and yeah, guys, what else do I have to say other than a W day for me and for everyone? We also got 100 people, even though this is full of bots. Oh my god, dude, we did it. Even though you guys are mostly dummy account because of the giveaway, we finally did it. The first 100 viewers on this stream. Let's go, baby. 100 viewers. Hopefully, we continue this momentum. Make sure na i-like nyo na gamit yung mga account ng mga kapatid, nanay nyo, and everything. We need to make this 10K subs before the end of the year, chat. Let's run this account to 10K subs. Chat, I've been in YouTube for like 4 years. I don't have 10K subs. I need 10K subs, chat. Let's do 10K subs this year. Damn, it is crazy. I used to live stream with 2-3 people watching me. Fucking crazy, yo. Look, ano tayo? Mag-look back tayo ng mga live stream ko back then. Let's look back on my live stream back then, chat. 3 years ago. I've been doing this like crazy long time as. Ang live stream ko like, holy cow, bro. Tingnan niyo yung mga setup ko back then. This is fucking crazy, yo. We are back. This is crazy, chat. Crazy. I can't believe it. Gusto ko yung mga ano eh, nung nakatira pa ako dun sa lumang bahay. It's like, where is that? Where is that? Where is that? Punta tayo dun sa... Tingnan nyo naman yung thumbnail ko. Crazy. Why can I see my previous live? But ito na yung pinakababa. Hindi naman ako nag-delete. Why is this everything I can see? YouTube. Tingnan natin sa studio. Why can't I see everything? That's kind of crazy. Yung mga 3 years ago, yung mga gusto kong makita. 2 years ago. Kaya naman, baka ano, chat. I cannot see it. Tignan niyo yung mga kinikita ko sa ads. Sa stream. $4. Ngayon, tinurn off ko na yung monetization ko, chat. Oh. I don't monetize my stream anymore. I'm actually making decent back then. $2 per live stream. Ngayon, hindi na ako nag-monetize ng para wala kayong ads. I wanna see yung mga ano pa, 2023. I feel like hindi na papakita ng YouTube for some reason, but I don't delete any stream. Except yung yesterday because I fucked up yesterday. (2024) naka-private chat. For some reason, they are in private mode. I don't know why. Bakit naka-private to? They're not supposed to be private. Look, this is my first live stream. Live trading. Content engineer. Oh shit. Ngayon, paano ko ma-enlarge to? Di mo makita. But yeah, been doing this like since 3 years ago. Dun sa kwarto ko na, damn, I have to go all back. Annoying. Yeah. Since 2023, chat. That's freaking crazy, yo. It's been amazing. It's been amazing ride for me. Very, very nostalgic to look back. Maybe 5 years from now, I'm gonna look back into this again and, see this in my background, and I'll be again. Maybe, chat, maybe this day, maybe someday, ang background ko is Porsche, maybe Lamborghini. If I ever get those cars, I would definitely use them as my background. I would use them, chat, as my background. If that ever happened, I would do it for sure. I'm gonna call it a day here, chat. TikTok, kayo dyan. I'm gonna go out now. See you again next week. No comments for you guys. Peace out, everybody. Thank you so much sa inyo. Let's just close this. Ang dami kong tab. Where am I now? Where am I? Let's go back. I'm gonna read some of your comments. Hello po, ako yung nanalo ng 500. Nasan si? Nasan na ang YouTube ko? Tingnan ko lang comments yun, then I'll call it a day, chat. Calling it a day. Nasan na ang YouTube ko? Chat, I'm gonna call it here. Thank you so much for watching me today. I'm glad I was able to do well today. Not only execution wise, but mentally, after what happened yesterday, I was not very happy about how I, respond some of the comments of some of the people that joined in my Discord. And ultimately, nag-decide ako na, hey, you know what? I'm not gonna open comments on TikTok anymore. I'll be there, but I'm not gonna let it ruin my trading. Looking back this week, a lot of my trading losses is coming from trying to blend in with the chat. One of that thing that I realized this week is that if I just stop focusing on what people say in the chat and then focus on my own trading, I'll do better. One example is when Dag was here. I know looking back, I would probably been able to capitalize with some of the setup, but napokus ako masyado kay Dag with what he's saying and all that. And I realized I could have capitalized on great trades, great trading, but I was so focused on him. So yeah, ultimately, chat, I'm just gonna go and focus with my own trading going forward. And yeah, I'll see you again on Monday. It's been amazing. It's been an amazing ride. And talk to you guys on Monday. Yung mga nanalo ng giveaway, I'll send your prices. It's probably within the day or tomorrow, because I'm a bit tired right now. Peace out, chat. Happy Friday. Have a great weekend and God bless you all. Peace out, everybody. Peace out. Bye-bye sa inyong lahat.